Welcome to my YouTube channel Car Hunt, where steel birds and roaring engines meet the future of warfare. Today, we take flight into the skies of the Middle East, into a nation quietly building its air power with precision, Jordan. In 2026, the Royal Jordanian Air Force is undergoing a subtle but significant transformation. A country known for its geopolitical balancing act is now also making waves in air defense. Jordan may not flaunt its power, but make no mistake, their jets are poised, ready, and modernizing. From the desert bases of Muaffaq Salted to King Abdullah II Air Base, Jordan's fighter fleet is gaining momentum with upgrades to its F-16 Fighting Falcons, jets that have already proven themselves over the skies of Syria, Iraq, and in countless training missions with NATO allies. But Jordan isn't stopping there. In recent years, the country has initiated deep modernization of its F-16AM/BM Block 20S, equipping them with new radar systems, precision strike capabilities, and advanced electronic warfare pods. These upgrades, done in collaboration with U.S. contractors, are turning old warriors into next-gen hunters. Let's talk visuals. From the outside, these jets remain sleek, gray, agile, and low-profile, but inside, they're becoming far more lethal. Cockpit displays are being updated with digital MFDs, new communications links, and integrated navigation systems, making them fit for 21st century warfare. And performance? Oh, the performance is deadly accurate. With Mach 2+ speeds, long-range radar-guided AIM-120 AMRAAMs, and the ability to deliver precision-guided JDAM bombs, Jordan's F-16s aren't just surviving, they're dominating. One of the most overlooked strengths of Jordan's Air Force is its pilot training. These aren't just soldiers. They're elite warriors trained by some of the best, including American and European instructors. That means every takeoff isn't just routine. It's a precision mission. Safety? Absolutely. The upgraded F-16s include terrain avoidance systems, modern chaff/flare countermeasures, and improved pilot survivability kits. Jordan's focus isn't just firepower. It's about bringing every pilot back home safely. In a region surrounded by giants, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Jordan is creating its own sphere of influence. Quietly, effectively, and with focus. So what's next? Some analysts believe that Jordan may soon acquire more advanced platforms, possibly F-16V Block 70S or even light fighter jets like the JAS-39 Gripen C/D for cost-effective defense. The future is open, and the skies are watching. As always, Jordan flies under the radar, but never out of reach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Hunt, where every flight tells a new story of power and precision.